Borrowing money from Gcash without a Gscore is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. To borrow money from Gcash without Gscore, all you have to do is open up the Gcash Help Center. Now you need to follow some very important main steps, such as go on your Gcash app and tap on Borrow. Then tap on the G Loan option from here. And right after that, tap to get started. Input your loan amount. Select your purpose of loan, then tap Get this loan. Then tap to review your loan terms, then tap on Continue. After that, review your personal information, then tap on Next. Now, agree to the data privacy agreement, then tap to submit. Also, you need to agree to their loan agreement, then tap on Continue. And then, check the amount you will receive from Gcash, then tap to confirm. Then input the OTP sent by Gcash, then tap Submit. Now, you will see a confirmation that you have successfully applied for a G loan.